Now encounter under Madhyama Kala Kriti, composed by Sri Jayachama Rajendra Odayar, composed by Pratapa Varali, set to Athala Madhyama Kala, Bori Bhagilahari Bhuneshwari. Sri Jayachama Rajendra Odayar was the last ruler of the Odayar family of Mysore. He was born in the year 1919 and came to the throne after the demise of his uncle Sri Nalvadi Krishnaja Odayar in the year 1940. For higher education, he went to London. He learnt Western music, Western instruments like piano and guitar. He learnt Carnatic music from Astana Vidwan Mysore Asyacharya. He also learnt Veena from Vidwan Venkatagiriyappa, got the Upadesh Sri Vidya Mantra from Shilpi Siddhalinga Swami, and got the name Chitrabhananda. He has composed 96 kritis in different ragas without repetition. In some of his kritis, multiple charanas, Ankitanama, Ragamudra, and Chitteswara also found. In this kriti, Ankitanama comes in the Madhyama Kala Sahitya Anupallavi as Sri Vidya Vashankari. Ragamudra comes in the Charana Madhyama Kala Sahitya as Pratapa Varali. Raja Odayar Dasara festival, it is come today also. Musicians come and exhibit their talent. He has kept a library at Mysore Palace. He has also at Dibutu Chamundi at Chamdes, Mysore. He got 4 doctorate degrees. Doctorate degree from Queensland University of Australia, doctorate degree from Annamalai University, doctorate degree from Banaras University and Mysore University. He was a founder of Vishnu Hindu Parishad. He was a good able horse rider, tennis player. He encouraged Ramnath in tennis. Sari ma pa sa sada pa ma gari sa. Pratapa Varali Raga is Janya of 28 Mulari Kamboji. The Swarasmi Raga Shadja, Chatushriti Rishabha, Shuddha Madhyama, Panchama in Arohana. Chatushriti Devatan Antaragana comes in Avarohana. This raga is Swarantara Shadava Raga. In Arohana, Gandhara Devata Nishada Varja. In Avarohana Nishada Varja. Dakuti. Bori Bhagya Lahati. Bori Bhagya Lahati. Bhuvaneshwari Paripahi Ma Nityananda Kari. Bori Bhagya Lahati. Bhuvaneshwari Paripahi Ma Nityananda Kari. Bori Bhagya Lahari. Shauri Virinchi Pramukha Modakari Gauri Giri Raja Kumari Shankari. Shauri Virinchi Pramukha Modakari Gauri Giri Raja Kumari Shankari. Parijata Chinta Mani Sadasha Shikari Shri Vidya Vashankari. Bori Bhagya Lahati. Parijata Chinta Mani Sadasha Shikari Shri Vidya Vashankari. Bori Bhagya Lahari. Bhuvaneshwari Paripahi Ma Nityananda Kari. Bori Bhagya Lahari. Yatendradi Sannuta Shobhacharite Yameshan Kubera Divinote. Yatendradi Sannuta Shobhacharite Yameshan Kubera Divinote. Atishaya Manade Agama Vidite. Atishaya Varade Agama Vidite. Ameya Magiman Vite Lalite. Atishaya Varade Agama Vidite. Ameya Magiman Vite Lalite. Pratapa Varali Mahakali Yatichami Taddegi Bragabatali. Bori Bhagya Lahari. ಪ್ರತಾಪ ಬರಾಳಿ ಮಹಾಕಾಳಿಗೆ ತಿಚ್ಚಾಮಿ ತದ್ದೇಗಿ ಭೃಗಭತಾಳಿ ಭೋ ರೇ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಹರಿ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಪರಿಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಕರಿ ಓ ರೇ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಲಹರಿ ಲಹರಿ. He has composed in rare ragas like Bhoga Vasanta, Durvanki, Nagadhuni, Nadabrahma, and has also composed unknown talas like Chaturshjati Matti Tala, Mishra Jampe Tala, and Kandajati Tripuda Tala. I am sure like movies in this Kruti. Please press the like button, bell button, subscribe button, and share to friends and relatives.